Hello friends, welcome to Rao's Math class. Today we will discuss this topic how to write fractions as decimals. Okay, first one is we discuss about the tenths. Consider this one. This is a whole. Is this one? This was divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 equal parts. Okay, divided into 10 equal parts. If I shade one part in this one, how to represent this one? If I shade one part, this is divided into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I shade one part, how you will write in fractions? Is it how to write the shaded part? How to represent the shaded part in fractions? It is 1 by 10. That is called 1/10 of the whole. This is called 1/10 of the whole. Okay, if I shade 2 units, if I shade like this is there now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 equal parts. If I shade 2 units like this, how you represent fractions? It is 2 by 10. Called 2/10 of the whole. Okay, so like this it will be. So if you go for 3 shaded means 3 by 10, call 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10, 6/10, 7/10, 8/10, 9/10, 10/10. So one complete unit, if I shade this one, 10/10 is called 1/1. If I shade if I shade 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I shade all, if I shade all the things, how to write? If I 10 by 10 called 10/10ths, 10/10ths of the whole. 10/10 complete unit. 10 by 10 means is equal to 1. So 1 once is equal to 1 once is equal to 10 tenths. This is very important. We'll use this one. 1 once is equal to 10 tenths. This is very important unit. We'll use it here. If I shade, so 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 10 by 10. Understood now? Okay, 1 once is equal to 10 tenths. Now 1 by 10 can be represented as 1 by 10 can be written as dot 1.1. Read as 0.1. If I write 3 by 10 can be written as 0.3. So read as 0.3. If I write like this for 9 by 10 is equal to 0.9. Read as 0.9. Okay, 0.9. 11 by 10. 11 by 10 means there are 10 tenths plus 1 tenth. 11 by 10 you can write as 11 tenths, 10 tenths plus 1 tenth. 11 by 10 can be written as, can be called as 11 tenths. 11 tenths means is equal to 10 tenths plus 1 tenth. So 11 by 10 is can be written as 10 tenths, 10 by 10 plus 1 by 10. That is equal to 1 plus 1 by 10. Clear? This is the way you will represent it. That is equal to 1.1. That is equal to 1.1. This you can write it as 1 plus 0.1, 1.1. Okay. So like this, you will write the fractions in decimals. Okay. Clear? So I will explain you. Pause it, note down. I will explain you one more time here. I will explain you one more time. Please understand. See here, I will write here the fraction called as written as read as. Okay. Fraction 1 by 10 means how you will call as 1 tenth. Written as 0.1. See, 1 by 10 means 0.1. See, 1 by 10 equal to 1 by 10 equal to 0.1. So see here, in decimals, how to convert the fraction decimals? See, 1 by 10 means I am putting the decimal one digit left in the rightmost digit. Okay. In the rightmost digit, one digit you have to leave it and put the decimal point. 1 by 10 means in the numerator, the number, leave the rightmost digit and put the decimal point. Clear? Okay. 1 tenth means 0.1. Read as 0.1. 2 by 10 means how you will write 2 tenths. That is equal to 0.2. 2 by 10 is equal to how much? 0.2. Read as 0.2. Similarly, 9 by 10. 9 by 10 is equal to 0.9. So 9 called as 9 tenths. 9 tenths and it is 0.9 and read as 0.9. If I am having 11 by 10, it's called 11 tenths. So 11 by 10, understand clearly, 11 by 10 is equal to 11 tenths. It is called as 11 tenths. 11 tenths. We can write it 11 tenths as 10 tenths plus 1 tenth. So 10 tenths is equal to 1 ones plus 1 tenths. 1 ones is equal to 1 plus 0.1 is equal to 1.1. So 11 by 10 is equal to 1.1. So it is called, it read as 1.1. If I write 12 by 10 means 12 tenths. See here, I am doing here 12 by 10 is equal to 12 tenths. So 12 tenths means 10 tenths 10 tenths plus 2 tenths. That is equal to 10 tenths means ones, 1 ones plus 2 tenths. That is 1 ones means 1 plus 2 tenths means 0.2. That is equal to 1.2. So 12 by 10 can be written as 1.2. So read as 1.2. Okay na? Similarly, if I give 25 by 10, so 25 tenths means 2.5. Read as 2.5 like that. So you understood or not? So pause the video to note down. Pause the video to note it down. If I give you a number 35 by 10, how to convert in decimal? So what I told, number you write down and put the decimal point leaving the rightmost digit, that is 3.5. One digit, the rightmost digit leave it and put the decimal point. Okay, for 10. Okay, in the denominator 10 you put it like this. So 45 by 10, how you put it? 4.5. Leave the rightmost digit, put the decimal point. That's all. In the number, leave the rightmost digit and put the decimal point. If I write 328 by 10, how you will write it? Here 328 is a number is there. Leave the rightmost digit and put the decimal point. 32.8. See here 427 by 10. So what is the answer in the decimal point? How you write into decimals? 427. Leave the rightmost digit, that is 7 you leave it and put the decimal point. Clear? If I ask you 3259 by 10, this is a fraction. Convert decimals, how you write it down? Write the number again 3259 and leave the rightmost digit and put the decimal point. Put the decimal point. If I ask you 432 by 10, how you write down? Write the same number 432. Where you will put the decimal point? Leave the rightmost digit and put the decimal point. If I ask you 5, 3, 7, 8, 5 by 10, how you will write the decimals? Write the same number 5, 3, 7, 8, 5 and put the decimal point. Where you will put the decimal point? Leave the rightmost digit and put it. Okay, this is the way of writing the fractions as decimals. Okay, Okay, I will give one more example, you see. Okay, na? Pause the video, note down. Here, I will give one more example. If I ask you, write 1 by 2 into decimals, how you will write it? Because you know, the denominator is 10, in the number fraction is number by 10. Fraction is number by 10. So how you put the into decimals means 2 decimals. Decimal, how you write it? Putting the point in the number, leaving the rightmost digit. So fraction to now decimal is putting the point in the number, leaving the rightmost digit. That is the way we are doing it here. Okay. So if I ask 1 by 2 means, here we don't have the denominator as 10. So how you can make it? You can make it as a 10 equivalent fraction. I told you the fractions. Okay. So multiply the numerator and denominator with 5. So what you are getting here? 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means 5.5. Okay. If I ask you 1 by 4, 1 by 5, how you will do it? 1 by 5, how you will do it here? So you don't have here in that denominator 10. So you have to multiply with 2 here and 2 here and making as 2 by 10, that is equal to 0.2. Like this you have to convert the fractions into decimals. I will write and do some questions here, an example, so that you will understand clearly. Okay. So how the questions will be, you see here. Okay na? How the questions will be, you see here. So write each of the following as decimals. Write each of the following as decimals. Okay. First one is, to see, 5 ones and 4 tens. 5 ones and 4 tens. Second one is 20 and 1/10. Third one is 15 and 5/10. See how to write this one as decimals. First one, you see 5 ones and 4 tens. So 5 ones means 5 ones plus 4 tens means 4 by 10. So 5 plus 0.4 is equal to 5.4. Okay na? 5 plus 4 by 10 is equal to 5.4. You can write it down like this directly. Okay. Second one is 20 and 1/10. So 20 plus 1/10 is equal to 20.1. Okay. Similarly, third one, 15 and 5/10. 15 plus 5/10 is equal to 15.5. So like this you will write the into decimals, okay. See one more question here. Write each of the following as decimals. There are another way. So they may ask you, first one is 20 plus 7 plus 3/10. Second one is 500 plus 3 plus 5/10. Third one is 30 plus 8 plus 9/10. Like this is there. How you do it? This one. First one you see 20 plus 7 plus 3/10. Clear? 20 plus 7 plus 3/10. That is equal to 20 plus 7, 27. 3/10 means 0.3. Like that. 27.3. Second one you see 500 plus 3 plus 5/10. The decimal was given expanded form. We are converting expanded form to decimal form. You see here 500 plus 3 is 503. 5/10 means 0.5. Clear? Third one 30 plus 8 plus 9/10. 30 plus 8 is 38. 9/10 means 0.9. So like this you will write the expanded form of decimals given, so you can convert it to the decimals. Okay, this is the way of writing the solutions. Okay. All the way to note it down. Sometimes write is following decimal form. They may ask like this: write each of the following into decimals. First one is 35/10. Second one is 12/5. Third one is 7/2. Fourth one is 18/5/10. Fifth one is 14/7/10. 14/7/10. Sixth one is 13/1/2. Okay. 13/1/2. So first one is, you see, 35/10. What I told you is write the number and put the decimal point leaving the rightmost one digit. Okay, like this 3.5. If I put 12/5, 12/5 means You see here we don't have here decimal as denominator as 10. So convert into equivalent fraction. So 12 by 5 into 2 into 2. 12 2 is 24 by 5 2 is 10. So now 24 by 10 is there. This you can read written as 2 4 point. Leaving point where you are putting, leaving the rightmost digit in the number. Okay. Third one, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means here converting denominator is not 10, so we are converting into 10. So by multiplying 5 and 5 equivalent fraction. So 7 5s are 35 by 2 5s are 10. So 30 by 10, 35 by 10 means what how you will put in decimals? We will put the decimal leaving the rightmost digit. So 3.5. Okay. Fourth one, 18 5 by 10. Simply write 18 plus 5 by 10, that is equal to 18.5. Fifth one, 14 7 by 10, that is equal to 14 plus 7 by 10 is equal to 14.7. Okay. Next, sixth one, 13. This is sixth one. Okay, 13 1 by 2, that is equal to 13 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 13 plus 1 by 2. I am multiplying with 5, and because we don't have denominator as 10, so converting into equivalent fraction for getting the denominator 10. So 13 plus 5 by 10, that is equal to 13.5. So this is the way of writing into decimals. If they are given as fractions, we can convert into the decimals. Okay, okay or not? So pause the. You understood or not? If you like this video, please like it and share it to your friends and family, and also please subscribe to my channel Rao's Maths Class.